Underneath the driver's side rear of the vehicle, you're going to find your fuel hose, fuel line, and a vapor line here. I want to follow this vapor line down to this rubber hose here. We want to go ahead and separate these two here. Go ahead and pull that out. I'm going to go ahead and locate your connector here for the sensor. Lift up in that little tab and pull the connectors apart, like so. Now you want to go ahead and reach up here. In this canister unit, our solenoid has a little metal mounting tab on it. We're going to use a small pocket screwdriver. Insert it between the metal tab and the unit. And try and work that unit off that mounting bracket. Go ahead and remove that from the vehicle. So when you go to remove this part, you're going to install your pocket screwdriver in this area here. There's a metal bracket that slides in this. So you're just going to slide it in there and release the little lock on it. Go ahead and feed our unit up and in and get that mounted onto our metal tab here. Once it's lined up, just push it into place and it'll lock in. You want to go ahead and install your hose here back into its original position. So now we snaked our vent tube through and back into our bracket. Go ahead and grab that rubber hose. Line that up, and we're just going to squeeze that back into place. Right. Install your jumper harness with the black connector first. The locking tab is going to be facing inward. Line that up and push that onto your solenoid unit, and then press that red lock button up and on. It'll lock it into place. Bring the harness down, line that up. Reconnect that harness right here, and you'll feel that click into place. So our vent solenoid here has an adapter harness on it. Some of the vehicles required them and others didn't. The pre-models had a specific plug on the end, and then post canisters required a jumper harness. Ours required a jumper harness, so we went ahead and replaced ours as well.